Welcome to Dropzone Airlines. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the T1 Protocol testnet. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this particular testnet. So you please ensure you watch this video to the end. So please, if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do well to support this new channel by subscribing to it. Okay, so ensure you stick to the end. So now for a quick introduction, this particular T1 protocol testnet was and they have raised up to $2.5 million for this particular testnet, and this testnet was launched on 2nd April 2025, so it's still early for us to engage or join. Okay, for those that are looking for new testnet that they can participate. So now the OG role is still active for those that want to, the early users. So you ensure you join now so that you can be able to claim the OG role. And now this testnet can just take you up to like 5 minutes for you to complete, and it's a potential testnet. Okay, so all these steps I'm going to be going through is going to be down there in the description. So coming over here we are to claim the Ethereum Sepolia Faucet token. So once you come over here, you are to head over to your MetaMask wallet and then copy your MetaMask wallet address, and then you paste here and ensure you claim the Faucet token. Okay, ensure that this is an Ethereum Sepolia. Okay, so once you do that, complete the transaction and ensure that you have this whole thing done. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. Now once you're done with that, head over to the next link. Now here is the main dashboard for this T1 protocol testnet. So now once you come over here, you connect with the same wallet that you just claimed the Faucet token. Okay, so now once you do that, the first thing here, ensure that this is an Ethereum Sepolia. Okay, so coming over here, so now we are to transfer from the Ethereum separate to the T1 protocol. Okay, so now what we're going to do here first, here we are to come over to this place and then select the amount that we want to transfer. Okay, so the test token that we just claim is going to reflect here, so you just choose any amount you want to deposit and then come over here and click on deposit fund. Okay, so now first of all we have to transfer from the Ethereum Sepolia chain to the T1 protocol chain. Okay, so you do that, complete the whole transaction and ensure that you do that first. Okay, so that once you are done with it, so let me wait till this completes. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the transaction. So now next we have to do, as you can see, this is the transaction that we just did now. So now next we're going to do, come over to this place and then we have done the deposit. So head over to here and click on withdraw to Ethereum. Okay, so once you click on it, so now first here is that we have to switch back from the Ethereum Sepolia chain to the T1 Devnet chain. So come over here, you click on this, click here, so that you will switch back from the Ethereum chain to the T1 protocol. Okay, so once you are done with that, so next we have to do here is that we are to choose any amount we and then we withdraw. So we did 0.01, so let's choose a lesser amount. So let's do 0.001 now. So and then once you're done with that, click on here and then you withdraw the amount. Okay, so you complete the whole transaction, right? Confirm. So as you can see, we are done with the transaction. So now, so we just did sending from the both chains, okay, and then back to the other chain. So now that's basically what we ought to do in this particular testnet. So we have to make more and more transactions. Okay, so that's basically what this testnet is all about. So now once you're done with that, head over to the Discord. Okay, so now once you come over, ensure first of all that you do the verification. Okay, so once you're done with the verification, then head over to here, click on this get role. Okay, so now here we are to claim this particular role. Okay, so just come over here and click on this, so the role will automatically be added to you. Okay, so ensure that you also engage in this the Discord page, the general group, just initiate some interactions. Okay, so now that's basically what we ought to do in this particular testing. So now, summary of it, that first of all, you have to claim the Ethereum Sepolia, token, and then come back here and then do some swaps. Okay, so do as much as you can. So that's all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please you do it, ask there in the comment section. I will ensure that I answer all your questions. So please, if you are yet to support this channel, please you do it to support this channel by subscribing to this new channel, right? So now I will see you in the next